Ball bearing replacement and reinstallation, key safety notes. Number 1. Before replacing the ball bearing, make sure to double-check the bearing number. Number 2. If the bearing is a sealed type, it must be replaced using appropriate bearing fitting tools. Warning: do not apply heat when replacing sealed bearings. The seals may deform or become damaged due to excessive heat. The grease inside the bearing may melt and leak out, undergo oxidation, lose lubrication quality, reducing bearing life. Number 3. If the bearing is an open type, you may use a bearing heater to assist with installation. Number 4. When heating the bearing, the temperature should be kept within a safe range. Typically between 80 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. 5. After heating the bearing, install it quickly onto the shaft. Number 6. While installing, hold the bearing in position on the shaft for about 1 minute or a few seconds. Number 7. Once the bearing has cooled down, apply appropriate grease, for grease type or oil type, into the bearing as required. Number 8. After successfully replacing and reinstalling the bearing and confirming that the pump or motor operates smoothly, the bearing replacement process is considered complete.